Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be creating your fall garden. Let me show you some ideas and inspiration to help you out. So the summer garden is dying and now you have all this empty space to start your fall garden. Did you know that you could start a fall garden in August, September, and sometimes even October, depending on where you live? To grow a successful fall garden, all you really need to know is when your first frost is. That will determine when some of your spring or non-cold hardy plants will die off. Now typically you'd be growing some frost hardy things in your fall garden. Everyone's garden is different, but definitely here in Canada we have to grow frost hardy things. So it's already dipping down into the single digits at night. A lot of my summer plants are not doing too well, but these beets, cabbages, spring rapini, and everything is doing fairly well right here. Everything's sprouted, really good germination rate, and is looking super good. Now you can grow a lot in a fall garden. I have some beets, cabbage, I have some rapini and some Asian greens here. My basil is still going, but yeah, if you start this in summertime, you will definitely have basil into the fall. But just a warning, when that frost comes, it will damage these leaves. Now over here I have some carrots. Carrots are definitely a great frost hardy vegetable that you can grow in your garden. Back here I have some barley. Barley can be considered a cover crop. I'm actually growing this variety that's black and hulless, so hopefully we get something out of it. They are looking quite big. They were grown from seed and I just popped those seeds in there at the beginning of September. So this is all looking very good. Now once the frost comes, they can take a couple cold frosts, but once we get some deep freezes, obviously they're not going to do that well. With some cover, they would probably still be okay until about January, February, but yeah, they'll probably be done by that time. Although you can't grow peppers and tomatoes in your fall garden unless they have been already established in the summer, don't fret. There is plenty to grow in your fall garden. Just some of the many things that you can grow in your fall garden range from brassicas to leafy greens in my green stalk. It can range from root vegetables such as turnips, carrots, rutabagas, radishes, anything that you kind of like. You can grow plenty of spinach and kale. Actually, it tastes better with a fall frost. And if you don't want to replant your garden beds, because let's just say you close them up for the season, or they still have plenty of your summer harvest in them, you can also consider growing your fall garden in a green stalk. Right behind me I have my lettuce. I also have some red varieties up top, and definitely consider growing in different mediums for your fall garden. This guy is going to be feeding me all fall season long. So I hope this has given you some ideas to grow your own fall garden at the end of the season and we all get tired. But this is just a little inspiration to maybe just make your garden go that much further, because when the snow hits, when the freezing temperatures hit, we're all going to miss our gardens. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. And if you like this type of content, consider subscribing down below. See you guys next time.